If you want to breed a better horse, you must feed it well. Clean energy for new generation gasoline and diesel vehicles. XSNano Gasoline Diesel Dynamic Concentrating Agent is designated by the global supercar brand of Ferrari as its working partner all over the world. Meanwhile, it also achieves strategic cooperation with British Petroleum in Europe, which possesses annual output value of more than $240 billion turnover. And BP has directly used the product in the oil refining process. XSNano Gasoline Diesel Dynamic Concentrating Agent has passed the testing done by the Ferrari Group. The group is very satisfied with the performance of average 14% saving of oil consumption, outstanding power enhancement, and the 1 second of time shortening for linear acceleration in 100 meters. XSNano Gasoline Diesel Dynamic Concentrating Agent is the research outcome of liquid nano-phase changing combination technology done by Superconductive Energy Laboratory in Spain. The main element of the product is the water drop in the size of 0.2 nanometers, coated with Laurel oil. After adding it to the oil tank, the nano water drop will rapidly spread out and coat the gasoline and diesel oil drop in the tank. It increases octane number in compression stroke to avoid pre-burning and detonation. And the nano water drop will be vaporized immediately when the cylinder combustion chamber is lit up and exploded. Its powerful fluctuation efficiency is not only able to disintegrate the oil drop to make it be able to be burnt easily, but also block out the combination of nitrogen and oxygen in the high temperature to largely reduce the nitrogen oxide and lower the working load of three-way catalytic converter. The accumulated carbon in the cylinder will be able to be eliminated effectively, and the exhaust emissions are overly reduced by 40 to 95%. Therefore, XSNano Gasoline Diesel Dynamic Concentrating Agent is the first physical additive with environmental protection and energy saving, awarded certification by Environmental Protection Agency in the USA and ENAC system in the European Union. Moreover, when adding XSNano Gasoline Diesel Dynamic Concentrating Agent into the oil tank, the greasy matter on the oil pipe and high-pressure injector will be decomposed and cleared out. Vehicles imported from Europe and the USA tend to have issues of carbon accumulation, heavy oil consumption, and lack of power due to the quality of local gasoline and diesel, causing the automatic power of the vehicle to revise down. After using the world-class cleaning fuel of XSNano Gasoline Diesel Dynamic Concentrating Agent, it solves all the problems in one go, including carbon accumulation in the engine, exhaust emissions, heavy oil consumption, detonation, and oil pipe blockage. It has passed the long-term user testing by relevant units in Europe. The average oil saved is around 10 to 20%, with 25% reduction in CO2 emission, so that the power of the engine is enhanced. Engine temperature is reduced, oil consumption and maintenance fees are saved, and vehicle life cycle is extended for optimal performance. It is the clean energy for the new generation gasoline and diesel vehicles.
Unlock huge fuel savings and top-tier engine protection with XSNano fuel additives. These powerful additives boost fuel efficiency, saving you money at the pump while protecting your engine from wear and tear. Experience a smoother, more powerful ride and extend your vehicle's life. Plus, you're reducing emissions and contributing to a cleaner environment. Switch to XSNano fuel additives and start saving today.